Well, as always in the International Waldenström's Macroglobulinemia workshops, the genomic sessions are a highlight of these workshops, with several new data being reported by many groups around the world. And it is my impression that from the previous to the current workshop, the greatest input was to start seeing data emerging from single-cell technologies that weren't there available, or at least data was unavailable in the previous workshop. So we saw single-cell DNA sequencing tools highlighting different modes of tumor evolution, as well as single-cell RNA sequencing methods showing different cluster composition in patients with mutated and wild-type MYD88, as well as these tools, particularly single-cell RNA-seq, being used for a more granular characterization of the tumor immune microenvironment that differs already at the stage of asymptomatic Waldenström's macroglobulinemia.